Today we're coming to the range and I'm going to show you how to handle it. Hello everybody. So I have been given a lane. I'm going to show you how to have range etiquette. When you check in, the range officers will give you a lane number. Our lane numbers are up at the top. It's anywhere. It'll be an Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, or Delta lane. It'll be 1 through 4 or 1 through 5. Follow me and I'll show you how to unpack everything. First thing I want you to do is you're going to come in with a bucket. You're going to have your firearm. It's going to have a chamber flag in it. When you take your firearm out, remember we're going to follow the 4 Cardinal rules of safety. Your gun will always be pointed downrange. Chamber flag is in. You're going to be placing it with the ejection port facing up. The other thing I want you to do is take out your box of ammo. Go ahead. You're going to store your bucket underneath on our shelves. You could put any bags under there. The other thing I am going to mention, if you do not have a rental and you do bring in your own bag, when you unload your gun, make sure you bring the bag to the top of the bench and then you unload your gun on the bench. Do not bring your gun up from the bottom and then bring it up onto the bench. If your gun is not in a locked open position, we would ask that you keep your gun in a slide locked position. Just like that. Ejection port facing up. Next thing that we want to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to hang up our target. We do recommend that when you are hanging up a target, that we just place it about an inch down from the top, giving it a nice 2 pieces of tape. We will go ahead and we're going to move our target on out. We have a target system anywhere from 2 to 12 yards. I like to start at 5 yards. The other thing, like I said, is we're going to keep those firearms pointed downrange. When we go ahead and fill our magazine and load a gun, when we chamber the round, I'm going to make sure that 1, you do not move the gun. You keep the gun pointed downrange. 2, you will always keep your finger off of that trigger. So what we'll do is we'll demonstrate really quickly how we want to do that. Again. Filling your magazine. Then we will go ahead and load our gun. 1, again, keeping the gun downrange and the finger off the trigger. You'll notice that at no time do I ever turn my gun to the left or to the right of me. Inserting. When I go to chamber, you'll notice that if I go to turn my gun, I have better leverage, but we don't turn a gun. I actually turn my body. Turn my body, chambering that round. So at that time, gun is still pointed downrange. You can take any extra stuff off of the bench, again, and you can place it all underneath so you have plenty of workspace. And if at any point you do get a little confused and you're not sure what to do, we do have our range rules right over here. Again, you will have our 4 Cardinal rules of firearm safety. And if at any point you have a question, we do have ROs on the range. Please don't ever hesitate and ask them, come on over, I need some help. Hope this helps.